Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Fidelity stock. We'll cover the various methods available for selling your investments, whether online, by phone, or in person. Understanding different order types, like market versus limit orders, is crucial for successful trading. We will also discuss potential fees and important tax considerations. Finally, I'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step process to execute your sales smoothly on the Fidelity platform. This guide aims to make your selling experience straightforward and informed. Fidelity offers several convenient ways to sell your stock. You can easily execute trades online through their user-friendly website or the mobile application, perfect for managing your investments on the go. For those who prefer a personal touch, placing trades over the phone with a Fidelity representative is always an option. Additionally, you can visit one of their investor centers for in-person assistance, or use the automated phone system for quick, self-service transactions. Choose the method that best suits your comfort and needs. When selling stock, understanding order types is key. A market order executes immediately at the best available current price, offering speed. A limit order, however, allows you to specify a price at which you're willing to sell, giving you more control. It's also vital to consider the tax implications of any capital gains or losses from your sale. Additionally, be mindful of potential trading fees, which can vary depending on the type and size of your transaction. Always review these details before confirming your trade. Now let's walk through the selling process. First, log in to your Fidelity account and locate the trade section. From there, you'll select the specific stock you intend to sell from your current portfolio holdings. Next, choose your preferred order type, whether it's a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the quantity and estimated proceeds. Once everything looks correct, submit your sell order for execution. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.